Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain Facebook ID. A Facebook ID is a unique numerical identifier assigned to every profile, page, group, and application on the platform. These ID are incredibly important for developers and third-party applications, as they are the primary way to interact with Facebook's Graph API. You can often spot a Facebook ID as a series of numbers within a profile or page's URL, or by using specialized online tools designed for this purpose. It's a fundamental concept for understanding how Facebook's backend works. Finding your Facebook ID is quite straightforward. First, navigate to your personal profile or the specific page you manage. If you look closely at the URL in your browser's address bar, you'll often see a long string of numbers. That's your ID. For profiles with custom usernames, the ID might not be directly visible in the URL. In such cases, you can simply copy the profile or page URL and paste it into one of the many free online Facebook ID Finder tools available. It usually takes just a few seconds to retrieve it. Facebook ID are incredibly important for several reasons. For developers, they are the key to accessing public data and performing actions through the Graph API, like retrieving posts or user information. They enable third-party applications to integrate smoothly with various Facebook features, enhancing user experience. Businesses also rely on these ID for tracking and analytics, allowing them to monitor page performance and understand user engagement more deeply. Unlike usernames, which can change, an ID provides a stable, unchanging reference point for consistent data access. While Facebook ID are generally public, it's wise to exercise caution when sharing them widely. They can be used by applications to access publicly available information associated with your profile or page. Always make sure to carefully review the permissions requested by any third-party application before granting them access to your Facebook data. Remember, Facebook's robust privacy settings allow you to control precisely what information is visible to others, regardless of your ID. Staying informed helps you maintain your digital security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.